Welcome to another tutorial on MATLAB. In the last tutorial, we have seen how to debug a stateflow chart and how to set breakpoints. And in the previous tutorial, we have seen how to create a plant model, how to create a controller model. If you want to have a look on those videos, please check out in this series. In this particular video, we will see how to generate a design description report from your MATLAB model or the Simulink model, and you can share it with the relevant person to which you want to share your design with. So let's have a look into how to generate a design description report from the MATLAB model or the Simulink model that we have. So here we have the file option. So in the file option, you need to go to system design description report and you need to click on generate. Then the particular tool will generate the entire document and it will also try to simulate the model that you have, and it will try to generate a PDF document. So this is a PDF document that is being generated from the MATLAB model that we have. So let's have a deep dive into this particular document and what this document is all about. So first is the table of content, which will have all the list of things that is there in this particular document. So the second chapter is the root chapter. So it contains everything related to the model. So what are the parameters that is being considered? What are the blocks that are being considered? Those are mentioned over here. Then you can see the stateflow chart also, all the design that we have done. Next is about the subsystem. This is about the plant model, and also these are the parameters that are involved in this particular plant model. And then the system design variables, which could be all these constant, gain, which we have used like B max, T max, M and R. This is for the plant model that we have used. Now fifth chapter is the requirement chapter, where we have used different requirement document, or we have used the Word document, and we have linked all these requirements to particular design that we have implemented. That is also present in this particular chapter. So when you share the document, you will get where the requirements are being linked, and here the system model details in chapter 6. So this is how the particular document looks like. You can generate this document and share with anybody who wants to see into your design. And as it is a auto-generated one, once it is generated, you no need to do any manual work on it. Everything will be there inside this particular document, and you can share to anybody that you want to. In case you are liking our channel, please consider subscribing for the latest upcoming videos in our channel. In case you have any comment or any suggestion, please share it in the comment box so that it will help us to improve your experience of learning MATLAB in this channel. So stay connected. Happy learning MATLAB. Have a good day.